Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Slimfast. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these popular meal replacement options unique. Whether you're looking for a complete nutritional solution or a structured approach to weight management, understanding their core differences is key. We'll explore their ingredients, nutritional content, and how they align with various dietary goals, helping you make an informed choice for your lifestyle and health objectives. When we look at the nutritional breakdown, Huel Black Edition stands out with a robust 40 grams of protein per serving, alongside 27 essential vitamins and minerals. In contrast, Slimfast Original shakes typically offer around 10 grams of protein and 24 vitamins and minerals. Huel often provides more fiber, contributing to satiety and digestive health, while Slimfast focuses on lower calorie counts for weight loss, making their macronutrient profiles quite distinct. Regarding ingredients, Huel is entirely plant-based, making it an excellent choice for vegans and those with dairy sensitivities. It commonly features ingredients like oats, flaxseed, and brown rice protein. Slimfast, however, often includes dairy-derived ingredients such as milk protein concentrate, and sometimes soy, which is important for those with allergies or specific dietary preferences. Understanding these core ingredient differences is crucial for aligning with your personal dietary needs. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal goals. Huel is formulated for complete nutritional support, ideal for those seeking a convenient, balanced meal or a significant calorie intake. Slimfast, on the other hand, is specifically designed for weight management, offering a structured approach with controlled calories and portion sizes. Both provide convenience, but Huel prioritizes comprehensive nutrition, while Slimfast focuses on aiding your weight loss journey with specific dietary plans.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.